Welcome to the Howmuch Retail POS Dashboard, your central hub for effortless business management. Gain instant insights into sales, expenses, and product counts, monitoring your store's performance at a glance. To make quick adjustments, simply navigate to the Options drop-down at the top. This menu unlocks a suite of powerful features, including seamless order adjustments for your retail operations. Select Order Adjustment to effortlessly modify existing transactions. Just enter the specific order ID and the system instantly fetches all relevant details, saving valuable time. As you view the order, if an item like baby oil needs adjustment and lacks stock, the system intelligently alerts you. This proactive inventory check prevents overselling and ensures accurate stock records, avoiding customer disappointment. Easily modify item quantities, like setting baby oil to 0, and apply any necessary discounts or promotions directly within the order. This flexibility ensures all adjustments are accurately reflected, giving you complete control over every transaction. After finalizing your adjustments, simply click the Pay button to process the revised order. This seamless process integrates all changes, ensuring a smooth and accurate transaction every time. Explore your complete transaction history by selecting Order History from the options. Here, review past orders and quickly re-engage, accessing options for further adjustments or processing returns, providing full oversight and efficient management. Complete the adjusted payment by inputting the cash received. The system instantly calculates any change due. This ensures fast, accurate cash handling and finalizes the transaction, making every checkout efficient and error-free. With the transaction successfully completed and cleared, your system is now ready for the next customer. Experience unparalleled efficiency with Howmuch Retail POS.